using the jigsaw take 2. How do you feel about using the jigsaw today, Sasha? Are you excited? How much are you excited? Alright, okay. You got your safety gear on?
Yep.
Okay. And today, for folks at home, we're using the Mac Master 600 watt. I've had this jigsaw for at least 5 years. I think I might have even got it at a garage sale. So quality tools here. Nothing but the best for the Mortensen boys.
What about Dad?
Yeah.
What about Brucey?
Well, Brucey's got a much better jigsaw. What kind of jigsaw has Brucey got?
Hitachi.
Oh, Hitachi. So, and is it thumbs up for the Hitachi? Yeah. 1 thumb or 2 thumbs? 2 thumbs up for the Hitachi. Okay. But today we're just using the old Mac Master. Okay, here we go. We're getting ready.
Get set. Go.
And pressing. Until it's finished. Okay, pick up the wood. You can grab the wood now.
Hi. See?
You want to come over here, Shosh? What kind of a cut? A smooth cut or a rough cut?
Smooth.
A smooth cut. Yeah. Okay, so that's all from us today. Thanks guys. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Give a little wave. No, come back here. I can't see you, mate. Take 2. Okay, that's all for us today. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.